situation remains calm but tense in the troubled township of Amaoti. In a period of just less than 24 hours, there have been 6 reported deaths. 32-year-old Thando Mambi is one of the victims killed during a robbery incident on Sunday. His distraught mother is demanding answers.
Our children are dying. We don't know what to do in this situation. I came all the way from the Eastern Cape to report this to police. They must play their part and help us find answers.
Eastern Cape ndize emapoliseni ke ngoku ukuthi amapolisa bakadlale indawo bazothini andazi.
Yo sibhlungu kakhulu kubhlungu and sibona singancediseki.
The situation that is unfolding here is extremely painful. We are not getting any assistance. Police don't seem to be acting with urgency in trying to resolve